Hi everybody, this is Zohib Khan and this is our database design project guided by Dr. Latifur Khan. The project came into existence with the requirement of enhancing report page of UT Dallas Computer Science Department website, and the present web page is a static HTML page displaying reports published by professors by year of publishing. The user has no option of viewing electronic format of journals. Hence, with this project we have tried making it dynamic, wherein a user can search a journal on different criteria plus can also view them to his convenience. So now let's start with the demonstration. Broadly speaking, the project comprises of two interfaces. One is search engine interface and the other is admin interface. So now let's look at search engine interface. As you can see that here we have provided four key fields that are basically the criteria that can be used by user for searching his report title, and kindly remember that any combination of these fields can help in fetching the results. Out of these four fields, the first three fields also have the ability to auto-complete. That is, taking for example, suppose a user doesn't remember the name of title, just remembers some of the words that come in that title, then he can still try to find his title. Let's take example of word data. So here we can see what it does is the application retrieves all the titles from database that contains the word data. So it's sometimes really helpful for the user. Now let's take a small example where if a user want to search the report titles for author in a given date range, then he just needs to type in the name of author and the date range. So these are the search results for the given criteria, and now if user want to view one of these report, then he can just click on the title. So here we have the electronic format of the report. The other functionality that we have provided in this search engine interface is list all reports. What it will do is it will retrieve all the technical reports present in the database and it will show it in the form of paging. So this was our search engine interface. Now let's move to admin interface. The admin interface has been designed mainly to maintain all the reports present in the database, and for this reason, to have a restricted access to the database, we have provided authentication. Now here we can see we have two functionalities. One is upload a report and other is delete a report. So let's go to upload a report. From here, the user has the option of adding a new report by keying in the relevant data in these fields. Let's take a small example. Kindly remember, here we have also provided autocomplete. So here it is, the report has been uploaded. Now to check and verify it in database, we need to go to this search engine interface, and let's type a keyword that was in the title, like omega. So here, so we can see the report has been uploaded and we can view it. Now suppose if we want to delete this technical report, then we can do that by just going to delete a report functionality. Here, as we can see, the report number for this one is 3810. So as we can see that the report has been deleted successfully. Now if you want to verify it, we can see that the application is not suggesting any report relevant to this word. So here we come to the end of demonstration. Thank you. Have a nice day.